How can I download and install Config APK on my Samsung phone?
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Config APK on your Samsung phone. Config APKs are essential for modifying system settings and optimizing your device's performance. Let's get started.
What is Config APK?
Config APK is an Android package kit that contains configuration files for various system settings on your Samsung phone. It allows you to customize your device's behavior, appearance, and performance according to your preferences. Config APKs are often used by advanced users and developers to fine-tune their devices.
Downloading Config APK.
To download Config APK on your Samsung phone, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. Open a web browser on your Samsung phone. 2. Search for the specific Config APK you want to download. You can use a search engine like Google to find reliable sources. 3. Browse through the search results and select a trusted website or forum that offers Config APK downloads. 4. Locate the download link for the Config APK file you want to download. It's important to download from a reputable source to avoid malware or other security risks. 5. Tap on the download link to initiate the download process.
Enabling unknown sources.
Before installing Config APKs on your Samsung phone, you'll need to enable the installation of apps from unknown sources. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Security. 3. Scroll down again and select Install Unknown Apps. 4. Choose the web browser you use to download the Config APK. 5. Toggle the Allow from this source switch to enable the installation of apps from that specific browser.
Installing Config APK.
Once you have downloaded the Config APK file and enabled the installation of apps from unknown sources, you can proceed with the installation. 1. Open the File Manager or Downloads app on your Samsung phone. 2. Locate the downloaded Config APK file you want to install. 3. Tap on the Config APK file to start the installation process. 4. Read the permissions requested by the Config APK and tap Install if you agree. 5. Wait for the installation to complete, and once finished, you'll see a confirmation message. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Config APK on your Samsung phone. Remember to use caution when downloading Config APKs and only get them from trusted sources. These APKs allow you to customize and optimize your device's settings, giving you greater control over your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.